You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this number or this date, as well as how to say more interesting but sometimes confusing dates that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. As a number, if you're just talking about the number, this can be said two different ways, either 1800, 1800 or 1800. As a date, if you're talking about the year, it is always said as 1800, 1800, 1800, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.